Hare Krishna. We all know the story of Govardhan Puja, the story of Govardhan Leela. So Krishna told the Vrajavasis to stop their every year annual Indra Puja. So seeing this, Indra got so furious that he sent torrential rain clouds, the rain clouds that were used to destroy the entire universe, to drown the village of Vrindavan. It was a great calamity that came upon Vrindavan and the Vrajavasis there. But the Vrajavasis took shelter of Krishna, and through the mercy of Krishna, this calamity became a great festivity. Krishna lifted the Govardhan hill, and 7 days, 7 nights, the Vrajavasis were enjoying the beautiful darshan of Krishna. It was festival for the eyes, the festival of seeing. How did this festival come about? Because the Vrajavasis took shelter of Krishna in this time of calamity, Krishna converted this calamity into a festivity and an opportunity. Similarly, we have in the pages of the Srimad Bhagavatam, Parikshit Maharaj, when he was cursed to die in 7 days, it was a great calamity that fell upon his head. But because Parikshit Maharaj took shelter of Shukdev Goswami and heard Srimad Bhagavatam continuously, that calamity became a festivity. It became a festival of hearing. So similarly, in our lives, problems are inevitable in this world. Calamities will definitely come. But if we can learn this art from the Vrajavasis, from Parikshit Maharaj, how to take shelter of the Supreme Lord in times of calamities, those calamities can become a great blessing, and it can become a great opportunity and festivity for all of us. Again, in Krishna Leela, we have the story of Kaliya, who is a very poisonous snake who comes to Vrindavan to destroy all the Vrajavasis and kill the cows. But because the Vrajavasis take shelter of Krishna, Krishna does such beautiful dancing on the head of Kaliya. It becomes a festival of dance. So the Govardhan Leela, the calamity of Indra, became a festivity of seeing, the festival for the eyes. For Parikshit Maharaj, the calamity in the form of a curse became a festival for the ears, the festival of hearing. And for the Vrajavasis, when Kaliya comes, which is a great calamity, the Vrajavasis took shelter of Krishna and became a festival of dancing. So all of us, if we can learn this art from these great souls, how to take shelter of that Supreme Lord in times of calamities. Padam padam yad vipadam na tesha. So Srimad Bhagavatam says, in this world there is danger at every step. At which step there can be calamity, we don't know. But if we can take shelter of Krishna, then in those calamities we can find great bliss and we can find great festivity in those calamities. Hare Krishna.